Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Is it possible to find this naked in this life? Is it possible that one falls down?
It is possible in 1 second, provided you are serious. It's not difficult. Krishna bhakti kavanam janmanamante jnanavan mang prapaddate. After many births, one is intelligent, wise, fully grown, wise. He surrenders unto me, Krishna says. So if I am intelligent, then I will see that if that is the goal of life, that after many births, one has to surrender to Krishna, why not myself surrender immediately? This is intelligence. If this is a fact, that one has to come to this point, after cultivating knowledge for many births, then why not accept it immediately? Why shall I wait for many births, if this is a fact? So that requires little intelligence. It does not require many births. It requires little intelligence. Take to this Krishna consciousness seriously, your problems are solved. Now, if you don't believe in it, then come to argument, come to philosophy, come to reason, go on arguing. There are volumes of books. You can read. You can learn it. Every answer is there in the Bhagavad-gita. You can try to understand it with your reason, with your argument. It is open. Just like Arjuna. Arjuna was taught Bhagavad-gita how much time? At most within half an hour. Because he was very intelligent. This Bhagavad-gita, the people of the world are reading, very learned scholar, wise men, they are reading, they are trying to understand, giving different interpretation. There are thousands of edition, commentary. But Arjuna was intelligent, he understood it within half an hour. So it requires, on the relative intelligence, everything, this world is relative, law of relativity, that is scientific. Professor Einstein's theory, law of relativity. So it is relatively. One can become immediately Krishna conscious within a second, and one cannot become Krishna conscious after many births. So it is relative. If you have got sufficient intelligence, you can accept it immediately. If there is less intelligence, then it will take time. You cannot say that it will be possible after so many years. That cannot be said. It is relative. Everything is relative. For a human being, from year to year, one step, and for a small microbe, it is 10 miles. From year to year, 10 miles, foreign. So everything is relative. This world is relative world. There is no such formula that one can be Krishna conscious after so many years. No, there is no such formula. One cannot become Krishna conscious even millions after birth, and one can become within seconds Krishna conscious. But on the average, Within this life we can become perfect in Krishna consciousness, if you take it serious. Especially while our young boys, we expect at least we live for 50 years more. Oh, that is sufficient time. Sufficient, more than sufficient. More than sufficient. If for 50 years one chants simply Hare Krišna, he is sure to become perfect. There is no doubt about it. Simply if you chant this mantra, Hare Krišna, oh, there is no doubt about it.
Hare Krišna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.